everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing extremely well. So today in this video we are going to talk about multiple hiring opportunities for multiple batches. But before proceeding further in the video, if you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed the channel till now, make sure to subscribe. The channel will be very helpful for you. We are continuously putting job opportunities and all the placement related stuff on our channel. So do subscribe the channel and be a part of our Telegram community as well. Let's talk about our first opportunity now. So that is from Wellloop. So they are basically hiring for the role of data analyst intern. That is the internship that is they're going to provide, and the job location mentioned is Bangalore. So who we are? So here's a quick introduction given regarding the company that recognized as one of the top 25 companies you should be working with while LinkedIn top startup 2021 list in India. Wellloop is a fun, innovative and avid bunch of almost 100-member team that works in a super fast-paced environment and is looking for individuals like you who like the hustle, thrive in a hyper-growth setting and can handle chaotic situation at times. Coming to the role, so data is at the heart of everything we do. We are looking for a data analyst to join our customer success team to help us make informed decisions across customer success, product, sales, and marketing departments. Duration is specified as 6 months, and later on, this internship can be converted to full-time position as well, depending on performance and review over 6-month period. Responsibilities that will be offered to you is like you'll be working closely with the customer success managers to help them with decisions by providing data-driven, actionable insights, create algorithms to extract meaningful information from large data sets, build custom dashboards and reports on KPIs to help CSMs help construct long-term analytic infrastructure to enable internal stakeholders to gather insights independently. Skill set is that you need a product mindset, hacker mindset, coding, SQL and NoSQL, ability to represent consumable data in a way that can be used to build a story with impactful, actionable to transform businesses. Experience with BI tools will be a bonus for you. So we are looking for a qualification they specified is we are looking for a final year fresh graduate, bachelor's, master's student with a proven track record in previous internship, proactive mindset and somebody who's not afraid to own tasks and take on responsibilities. So this opportunity is for 22 as well as for 23 batch. You can apply for this opportunity. Coming to our next opportunity, so that is from Thinkitive. Thinkitive is basically hiring for the role of trainee software engineer. So Thinkitive is a leading technology company providing world-class solutions to clients all over the world. We are currently hiring for the freshers in Pune who are aspiring to launch a career in the IT industry. Eligibility criteria specified is BE, BTech, ME, MTech in computer science, information technology or MCA in the year 2019, 2020 and 2021 pass out. So all you need is strong communication and interpersonal skills, OOPS and data structures, front-end HTML, CSS and JavaScript basics, database, SQL, NoSQL, basic networking. Job description is specified as strong problem solving skills, should be a quick learner. Candidates should have good knowledge of logical and designing concepts. Fundamental C, C++, OOPS concepts is must. Knowledge of HTML, JavaScript and CSS is required. Front-end frameworks like Foundation or Bootstrap. Good to have knowledge of Spring and Angular framework, good understanding of JavaScript, familiarity with databases. Here they have specified interview process as well. That first round will be an online assessment test, MCQ plus coding. Then second round will be technical interview. Then third round will be L2 technical interview. Then fourth round is going to be managerial plus logical round. And fifth one is going to be the HR round. So if you are interested, here you can simply click on apply now and you can apply for the same. Coming to our next opportunity, so that is from NCR. NCR is basically hiring for the role of IT analyst intern. The job location is specified is Gurgaon. Talking about NCR Corporation, so it is a leading software and services-led enterprise provider in the financial, retail and hospitality industry. It is headquartered in Atlanta, Georgia with 36,000 employees globally. NCR is a trademark of NCR Corporation in the United States and other countries. Qualification is specified is that students completing MCA, BTech or PE in May, June 2022. Excellent knowledge of computer science fundamentals, ability to understand business and technical requirements, available eligible to join us for internship program starting November 21 till June 22. So this opportunity is for 2022 batch. Good in database, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, Jelly, Angular, basic understanding of SDLC and operation best practices. Offer or employment are conditional upon passage of screening criteria and all. Right, so here they have provided the complete information. You can just go through it, and if you are interested for the same, make sure to apply for this opportunity. Right, now let's come to our next opportunity. So here's our next opportunity. So that is from associate, okay, okay, that is from Salesforce. So they are basically hiring for the role of associate member of technical staff. So the location is specified is like Hyderabad and Bangalore as well. So you can go through the complete information regarding the company. Here they have mentioned everything, that how it got founded and every stuff they have provided. Coming to the job details, so they are basically hiring for the role of software engineer. 2021 full-time opportunity they are going to provide. So this is your time to shine as software engineering graduates. You'll be expected to contribute right away as a member of our Scrum team for future releases. As a world leader in enterprise cloud computing, we deliver innovations 3 times a year. Coming to the eligibility criteria, they have specified that is BE BTech graduating in 2021 in computer science, electrical, electronics or equivalent disciplines with specializations in computer science, 7 CGPA and above, with no backlogs. Required skills specified by them are academic or professional internship experience with Java, C++, Python, understanding of object-oriented programming, design, working knowledge of web technology, strong analytical and problem-solving skills, be a self-starter and possess a strong sense of self-motivation. Desired skills are coursework in SQL and relational database concept, strong competence in Java language, JavaScript and rated framework, strong skills in data structure, OOPS concepts and algorithms. Right, so this is an amazing opportunity for 21 batch. If you are interested for the same, then make sure to apply for this opportunity. So these were some of the opportunities for you. I hope that you have found this video useful. If this is so, make sure to hit the like button, do subscribe this channel and do share this video as well among your friends who are looking for the opportunities and are eligible for these opportunities, so that even they can apply for the same and they can be selected as well. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Bye bye.